Finger cookies, a cake with a strange name, but it is the childhood of many people. It is not only a delicious dessert, but also brings a feeling of closeness and warmth as part of childhood memories. Each of these beautiful little cakes has a unique flavor, a memory, or a family pattern. With their compact and pretty shape, finger cookies are not only a great choice for tea time, afternoon, but also a meaningful gift for family and friends. These chocolate bars with special flavors are not only a delicious dessert, but also a true work of culinary art. With its delicate flavor combined with the best quality ingredients, each piece of chocolate becomes a true experience for chocolate lovers. The outer paper wrap not only makes the chocolate bars more eye-catching, but also protects them from light and preserves the best flavor. Each MAG chocolate bar is meticulously crafted, from the selection of ingredients to the processing process, creating a unique and rich flavor. When you enjoy these chocolate pieces, you not only feel the sweet and fragrant taste, but also go through a truly experiential journey of creativity and culinary artistry. Candy packaging machine is not only a high-tech device, but also a delicate machine, helping to create perfect and attractive candy packages. With fully automatic capabilities, this machine not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy and uniformity in the packaging process. From precise dosing to careful wrapping, every step is performed flexibly and accurately by the machine. Flexible adjustment allows the production of a variety of candy packages, from small, easy-to-carry packages to larger packages for special orders. With this technology, the cheese is sealed in an elastic plastic film, creating a sturdy protective shell, keeping the cheese fresh and preventing the penetration of air and bacteria from the outside. Using stretch film helps keep the cheese from drying out or losing flavor, while preserving moisture. You may be surprised by how these devices transport the massive wind turbine blade in the terrain with a narrow curve radius. To upgrade the power, the Fended Ideal 10 is equipped with a steering system that doesn't require a steering wheel, opening up new horizons for efficient harvesting. The R9800 is designed to be the best loader in the ultra-class mining market. It is suitable for 240T, 290T, and 360T class mining trucks. With a 540 horsepower engine coupled with a 9.8 meter Epsilon crane, the Scania R540 deserves its title as a giant in the timber transport industry. Setting aside its work in mines and construction sites, the lever excavator is recruited for dredging on the water surface. Even in a busy farming season, this lightweight harrow equipped with flow control system allows a comfortable operation in a wide range of fields. The rules of rice fall in succession with each step of the harvester. What a great machine! Pulling back in the usual way will often not work as well as it does. As people might not know, these coal blocks are made from coconut waste. The continuous rotation of this mechanism has quickly created perfect patterns. Silicone is a material composed of different elements combined in a complex process. Do you feel satisfied with this paper cutting machine? This roller not only builds sidewalks quickly, but also enhances their aesthetics. SMPW 4032 will be your companion to help you get through the winter more easily. The dough is shaped in equal size at the same time. In just a moment, the baluster has been completed.